The S2 paper has 5 to 6 to 7 questions. In this particular paper there are 7 questions. Total mark is 75, and there are 2 types of question: discrete random variables, probability distribution. There would be binomial distribution sums and probability distribution sums. So one type of sum is discrete random variable sums. The other type of sums is continuous random variable sums. These are general continuous distribution and uniform continuous distribution. So this paper, every S2 paper will have 2 types of questions: discrete random variable sums and continuous random variable sums. This first one, it is estimated that 4% of people have green eyes. In a random sample of size n, the expected number of people with green eyes is 5. This is a discrete random variable sum, binomial distribution. So this would be, let me use a different color. So this would be, expected value is 5. So Ex is 5. For binomial distribution, the formula for expected value is NP, that is equals to 5. We know that probability of success is 4% of the people have green eyes. Therefore n into 4% is 0.04 equals to 5. Therefore n equals to 5 divided by 0.04, and that is going to be 125. The expected number of people with green eyes in a second random sample is 3. So there is a second sum. So expected value this time is 3. Perhaps it's a good idea to use a different random variable, because previously we used x for one sample and this is a different sample. It is wiser to use a different random variable. Therefore NP this time is equals to 3. Find the standard deviation. Standard deviation means variance. The formula for variance is, we know sigma squared equals to variance of y, and the formula for variance is NPQ. Q means 1 minus P. So if expected value is 3, so NP is 3 and 1 minus P is 4%, that means 0.04. That means 3 into 0.96. That makes it 2.88. But the question was standard deviation, so sigma is square root of 2.88, and the answer is square root of 2.88 is 1.69. That means in 3 significant figure it would be 1.69697. okay, let me write 1.697. to 3 significant figure it would be 1.70. Question number 2, continuous random variable sum, and the interval is given. If the interval is given, it means it's a uniform continuous distribution. We have to write down the PDF. The formula for PDF is PDF equals to 1 by beta minus alpha. That's the formula. This would be fx equals to, so this would be 1 by beta minus alpha, so 6 minus 2 is 4, comma 2 to 6, 0 otherwise. Question number B is the expected value. The formula for the expected value is alpha plus beta by 2. So the expected value would be 2 plus 6 by 2, 8 by 2 is 4. The variance would be variance beta minus alpha whole squared divided by 12. Six minus 2 whole squared divided by 12, that means 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 squared is 16, 16 by 12, 16 by 12 means 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 4 by 3. D, find the CDF. For finding the CDF we need to integrate. So D would be CDF equals to integration of fx. Integration of fx is 1 by 4 dx. Let's move on to the next page. Equals to integration of 1 by 4 is 1 by 4x, and we write plus c. Therefore fx equals to, the CDF equals to 1 by 4x plus c. We need to find the value of c, the constant, just like in C1. The sums in S2 that deals with continuous random variable uses the technique of C1. Remember, for cumulative probability, cumulative means total. Total probability is 1. The total probability can be found by adding up all the probability. That means the upper limit is 6. So f6 means from the beginning till 6. That means total probability is 1. So f6 is 1. Always take the upper limit and that would give you 1. We know f upper limit equals to 1. Therefore 1 equals to 1 by 4 6 plus c. So this would be 3 2s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. Therefore c equals to 1 minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. 1 minus 1.5 is minus half. Therefore fx would be equals to 1 by 4x minus half. Now we have to define it. The definition is fx equals to expression here 1 by 4x minus half, and the limit is from 2 to 6. Now upper, this lower than the lower limit is 0, higher than the upper limit is 1. That's how you define the CDF. The final question, we have to find the probability between 2.3 to 3.4. Probability of 2.3 to 3.4. Now one thing you need to remember, this is continuous. For continuous, how do we write this? We write this as probability x is less than 3.4. We also did this in normal distribution in S1, where you have to subtract it like this. And remember, cumulative, this means f 3.4 and this means f 2.3. All we have to do is subtract. So this is f CDF. If we put 3.4 here, it would be 1 by 4 3.4 minus half, and this would be 1 by 4 2.3 minus half. So the answer would be equal to, so 1 by 4 into 3.4 is 3.4 by 4 minus half, that is 0.5, that would be 0.35, minus 1 by 4 into 2.3 is 2.3 by 4 minus half, that means 0.5, that will be 0.075, .35 minus 0.075 is 0.275.